Hi everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step drawing tutorial where we'll show you how to draw a dolphin in just 9 easy steps. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will help you create an adorable dolphin drawing that you'll be proud of. But before we dive in, I have something exciting to share. If you love art and creativity, check out my coloring page bundles available right now through the link in the description. I've just released a bundle of 20 cute cat coloring pages featuring adorable cats in all sorts of fun scenarios. There's a diver cat, an astronaut cat, a cat reading a book, riding a bike, a farmer cat, and so much more. But that's not all. I'm working on tons of other exciting themes, like a dog breed coloring book with 20 unique breeds and stunning backgrounds. Who knows? By the time you're watching this, it might already be available, along with many other collections. So don't miss out. Click the link in the description to explore these delightful coloring pages and bring your imagination to life. All right, let's jump into our guide. Drawing a dolphin might seem tricky, but don't worry, we've broken it down into just 9 simple steps that anyone can follow. Grab your pencils and let's get started. Congratulations on completing your dolphin drawing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing drawing guides. And don't forget to visit sketchok.com for this tutorial and thousands of other drawing guides to help you sharpen your skills and have fun with art. Finally, make sure to check out my coloring page bundles. They're perfect for anyone who loves to color and unwind. The link is in the description, so grab your favorite bundle today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy drawing!